So now let's look into the third type of organizing data, that is a data tabulation. Data tabulation involves creating frequency tables or contingency tables to organize data into a tabular format for easy analysis and interpretation. So this can be achieved using libraries such as pandas in Python. So let's take one example for the better understanding. So I will write down as data tabulation. So data tabulation, as we have discussed, it involves creating frequency tables. So let's do that. So but before that we need to create a uh, so let's create a frequency table using pandas first. Then we will move on to the another step. Okay. So let's create a frequency table using pandas. So data is equals to gender and then male, female, and let me copy this, paste it. Okay, and one more time, male. So how many we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So I need to have, so let me put another female. That's it. This is our first key value pair. Then I'm gonna add a second key value pair. So what would be that? I'll go for the age. Is it fine for you? So I'm gonna go with age now. Let me go for the age. Yep. uh, Age 25, 30, 22, 35, 28, and 29, 27, and finally 31. So that's our age key value pair, and then finally we'll go with the city. Sorry. um, Bengaluru, Moscow, Delhi, Vizag. Then I'll go for the Chennai, Mumbai. So how many? Let me cross check. 4 5 6 7. Delhi and Srinagar. Okay, let me check it. Okay, something is missing. Age, city, expected after dictionary. Where is that? Age, gender, where we are missing. Okay. Yep. Do not matching, a closing parenthesis. Okay. Yep. Okay, that's it. Our data is ready. If you want to see, yeah, this is what is our data. So now what we are gonna do, the next step, is to create a data frame out of this data. Simple. So I'll say DT because DFT, data frame tabulation. Then PD dot data frame, and I want to make a data frame out of the above dictionary. And here is so let me say DFT, and that's your data frame. That's it. We have created a dictionary, and out of the dictionary we made a data frame. Now let's begin. So let's create a frequency table of gender, only gender. Okay, let's create a frequency table of gender. So gender freq is equals to DFT of gender. That's it. Now let's say value counts. This is widely used method from pandas in data science exploration or exploratory data analysis in data science projects. That's it. And now I'm gonna say print frequency table of gender. So let me directly give that gender freq and execute. And this is what your gender frequency table. That's it. Next, let's create a contingency table of gender versus city. So because we have defined it in two ways, one is tables of frequency tables or contingency tables. So now let's create a contingency table of gender underscore city underscore CT. That's contingency. So now gender was, let me put gender versus city. Okay. So PD, so I need to go for the cross tab. To do that, I need to go for the cross tab. Cross tab and DFT and DFT. The first one is gender because I want a cross between gender and city, and that's what I want. Okay, and then DFT city. So DFT city, and now let's print it. Print contingency table of gender versus city /n gender city. And here is that it's a cross tab. So based on the cities and gender, so if you see female count in Bengaluru 0, Chennai 0, Delhi 0, Moscow 1, Mumbai 1, Srinagar 1, Vizag 1. Whereas male in Delhi there are 2, whereas in other cities it's 0, whereas in Bengaluru and Chennai we have 1, 1, 2. So this is what is called a data tabulation, and we can use we can take the advantage of pandas to do the data tabulation, and such as value counts for the simple For the simple tabulation, if you want to cross tab, you can use the cross tab method.